Well, hello everybody, and happy Sunday, December the 8th. Oh, and a big bird from the Goofy Duck to celebrate Cheryl Cole's 66th birthday. Happy birthday, Cheryl. Yes, I don't have really blue skies, but I don't have really black skies either. Yeah, we'll have to be content with what we got, George. It's supposed to start raining in about an hour. Yeah. Anyway, everybody's been fed this morning. Everybody's happy. The duckies are happy. The musketeers are happy. Right by Daddy's feet. Hi, baby. Yeah, George. What do you say, boys? Now, we've had a meltdown. It was below freezing last night. I had to break the ice on the pool there. Yeah, George. Yeah, it was a nice night. I got a bunch of work done yesterday. I tucked away I'm done mowing grass for the season, so I put the lawn tractor away. I charged the battery and filled the gas tank and covered it up with a tarp down there by the shed. And I put the Bobcat up by the garage. And I charged up the battery on that to get it ready to use. Yes, we were busy yesterday. I got a bunch of leaves and branches burned up last night. Yep. The fire's still burning a little bit down there, but we got rain coming. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, oh my goodness, George. You better do all your swimming now, buddy, because the water's going bye-bye again. Yeah, buddy. We're going way below zero. Our high on Wednesday or Thursday is like 11. Ha! Yeah! Or I think the high on Wednesday is 11 and it's even colder. It's like a high of 4 or something on Thursday. Anyway, and here comes my baby. Yes. You following Daddy? She goes, yeah, Dad, where are we going? She said, I had fun in the truck. Let's go for a ride. Yeah. What do you say, Squeaky? Oh, somebody said that they get a kick every time I call Squeaky over there. It reminds them of a Who song. Yes. All of us old farts, yep, we remember stuff like that. Anyway, yeah, the sky's not too bad. I can see a little hint of blue up in there, up above the clouds. Yeah. George's mommy said it finally quit raining. Yeah. Oh, and another big bird for his mommy. Oh, he loves you, Mom. Oh, and a big bird from Mo. Thank you, Mo. Anybody else? Dun, 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 dun. Squeak! Yep. Anyway, we love you all. Thoughts and prayers to everybody that needs them. Susan Hirsch is still in the hospital with her blood infection in her leg. We hope you get better, Susan, and hope you get out. Yep. Squeak! Jerry, your sister's squeaking. Yeah. Anyway, we're still picking up new subscribers and old ones. Somebody made a comment. Oh, I'm happy I found you again. I'm glad you're still on YouTube. Yeah, welcome back to George's World. You've got about 750 videos to catch up on. Yeah, we've been busy. Yeah, it's been a busy year and a half. We're anxiously awaiting Mommy. Now you can see that's the hole I drilled yesterday. And you can see there's ice in it. Yes, this was all wet yesterday. It looks wet, it's just slippery. Everybody got a kick out of George ice skating on that yesterday. Yep. And that looks really good. Oh, somebody said, oh, you got to be careful. George is going to fall in the hole. I don't think it would hurt him any. He floats like a cork. Yeah, you can walk around on this ice, so I don't think George is going to break it. Yeah. And if he was to fall into the bubbles there, the bubbles will hold him right at the surface. He couldn't sink if he wanted to. Ah, George. George says, yeah, I'm a good swimmer too. Yeah. And a whole lot of people said, how can he wash his face in ice cold water? He said, it's invigorating. Yeah, buddy. And I got a turkey hugging right against Daddy's leg. Yes, that's Daddy's girl. Anyway, love you all. Hope everybody has a wonderful Sunday. Congratulations to all the Syrians. Yeah. Egypt, Germany, all over Europe, everybody is happy because all the Syrians that had been forced out of Syria by the civil war there and the dictator Assad, they can all go home now. Egypt is just delighted. They got a couple million Syrians that jumped across the border because of Assad. Yeah. Anyway, congratulations to the Syrian people for getting their country back. Of course, we're not sure who's going to be running it, but we hope they figure it out and make it peaceful. Yeah, that would be good for the whole world. Yeah. Anyway, God bless you all. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thoughts and prayers for everybody that needs them. We love you too, Shirley. Yeah. Shirley Schaefer still doing good. Yeah, George. Oh, and a big bird from Larry. Thank you, Larry. And Henry is up there on the picnic table with Roxanne. And Rocky, that's our oldest hen. She's out there in the middle. And Honey is underneath the table. Everybody's out and about enjoying this nice weather. Right now we're about 35 degrees. It's absolutely wonderful. There's Barbara. Yup. Testy. Yeah, Jenny. Sister squabbles. Anyway, love you all. I'm going to shut this down and upload it for you. I just wanted to say, we love you all too. Have a wonderful day. Remember to stay safe. Wash your flippers often. Love you all too. Bye.